Something in the bottom of this bag we're going to talk about in a second is kind of innovative and may help you out in a pinch. What is going on? Ted with Grub and Gravel. Listen, I'm inside of an inflatable tent to bring you an inflatable mattress from the gang at Camp King. Now, what this is Camp King's double mattress. This is a brand new one for them. They have, added a bunch of technology that is kind of the up and coming thing. This one is a hybrid. So this one's going to be 3 inches of foam, and then it is going to be inflatable on top of that. It's going to lay out a great big double bed, like I said, for you to have some comfortable camping. Now, I don't have any long-term experience with this. We're pretty much doing an unboxing here. We're going to set it up, give you some initial thoughts on kind of how it feels, and, talk about some of the specs. You can decide if it's right for you. All right, let's take it apart. It comes in a decent little package like this. This thing can't weigh more than 10, 12 pounds, something like that. Pretty compact. Great bag. Brandon on there, nice logo Brandon on there, made for invention. Nice, big, thick handle strap down here. Something in the bottom of this bag we're going to talk about in a second is kind of innovative and may help you out in a pinch. And then, drawstrings up at the top here. Now, one of the things they're going to give you, because like I said, this is not only a memory foam mattress, but it is also inflatable. They are going to send you a Camp King pump in this particular set. Now, I understand you can probably buy this with or without it, depending on what your budget's going to be. I do highly recommend these pumps. They work great for a variety of things. Like I said, I've been in a lot of tents lately that are inflatable mattresses. You can get a really good start on something like a paddleboard or a inflatable boat, anything like that. So that's good that they include that in there for you. And then inside is going to be the mattress itself. Now, just initial feeling of this, it's got that very soft, kind of almost like a brush, not quite micro towel, microfiber, not quite microfiber, but like that, almost that micro suede. It feels like, I don't know, it feels kind of like skin almost, for lack of a better term. And then, great straps. They got it on a couple of little bungees right here. Nothing to worry about buckling, anything like that. Set those off to the side. You're going to probably decide which is your top. I'm going to guess this black side that's got a little bit of more rubberized material right here is going to be your bottom side. So I guess we'll have to get that rolled out. Like I said, this is the first time out of the box, so it's going to have all its little folds and things. All right, so right off the top, you could sort of see the size on that is going to be kind of good. I imagine it's going to get a little bit bigger than this. And then it's peculiar how these things work. So what it is you see it's completely compressed right now. That's because before they put this away, they rolled it and got all the air out of it. But like I said, there is that foam that's inside here. So if you've ever bought one of those memory foam mattresses or whatever, you get it home, you take it out of the package, and the thing actually starts to fill up itself. Now, it's got a double valve system that's going to let this one fill up quite a bit faster. So it starts to suck its own air kind of in like that. That is where, like I said, this pump is going to come in handy. They give you a beautiful little pump. Got a nice little shell over the bottom that is going to protect your button. So when this thing is in the bag with this or just in your camping gear, you don't depress that button. It does have a USB-C charging port on it. Like I said, buttons on the bottom, Camp King Brandon, nice valve on the top. It's going to come with a cord to charge it with, and it is going to come with a little bit of attachments that you're going to hook to this mattress to start blowing it up with. All right, so on this one, it's going to go with this larger valve, and what it has is a little bit of screw thread on there. We're just going to thread it right on there, and then the pump itself, we'll take the bottom off so we can access the button, just pushes right into this, very easily right on top of there. Hit the button. All right, like I said, this is going to be a 3 inches high, but when this is completely inflated, it's going to be 79 inches tall and 50 inches wide. Plenty of room for yourself or maybe a smaller couple. All right, so that was about 45 seconds, maybe a minute. I didn't really count it. Under a minute for sure. Pull the little thing back off and run your little valve back on there. And you are in business for getting ready to lay down on this thing. It's nice and little bowie in the center. I think all the foam is still filling itself out here. Everything's kind of getting used to the shape it's supposed to be. Let's give it a lay though. All right, so just knees. I am able to touch the ground, but just lightly, you know. As far as laying down goes, I am not quite hip touching the ground. Matter of fact, all right, so if I rest, I'll say I got about 1.5 inches. So I'm sinking down about halfway into this. You know, and one of the great things they say about this mattress is the way these memory foam ones are built versus just an air mattress is. Things that are underneath any kind of like rocky ground that you may have had to lay your tent on, things like that, if you don't have a pad, they're absorbed by the bottom of this. It doesn't make the pad teetery or give you a lumpy spot in here. The memory foam itself absorbs that. And you know, now this is their double. If you were somebody kind of petite, maybe your wife was little, you could probably sleep two like this. My wife sleeps pretty coffin, so she'd be great. But me, I like one of these for myself, nice and wide. I like to sprawl out and, you know, suck up the whole room. One of the things about the size of this, I feel like this might fit in my rooftop tent. And I have a decent mattress in there, but to give yourself that extra little bit of cush in your rooftop tent, to be able to add this to something like your RV mattress. Now, you could use this as an overtopper or leave it set up all the time, figure out what size you need for your bed in your RV, and this is what you use all the time as your mattress. Now, like I said, super convenient that they gave you the pump for this. But one of the things that we talked about earlier with this bag is this bag has a hole in the bottom of it. So if you get to camp and your pump is just not working anymore, you don't have any batteries for it, you didn't get a chance to charge it, this bag can be utilized, you know, similar to those bags where you sit down, you make a chair out of it, you run in the wind a little bit, or you get the force, you fill this bag up with air, you squeeze it out this end hole right here that's in the bottom, and that will pump your mattress up for you. So realistically, if you needed to save weight, you don't even need to rock this pump at all. All right, so simply to let all the air out, we're just going to take off these valves. Now this is one of those little trigger valves right here. This one actually just turns sideways just a little bit inside of its own ball there. So what we're going to do is open that valve up a little bit. Like I said, when you saw it at the beginning of the video, it was all compressed. So what you're going to do is fold it in half. These two corners here. And then as you fold and roll this, these valves at the top are going to get rid of all your air. You know, once you get down to the end, these kind of mattresses, I just kind of kneel on them a little bit. Put your valve right back in on that one. Put your valve right back in on that one. We'll see if it'll fit back in the bag like this. Now, it is a little bit bigger than when you took it out of the package. Give you that. Kind of expected. You could probably take a little more time than I'm taking and get more air out of it if you needed to. But even realistically at this quick pack, fold it in half and roll it. I mean, you saw I didn't put too much effort into making sure it was any kind of perfect. Right back in the bag. Plenty of room for your pump right in the top. Yep. And you are ready to go. Listen, what I'm going to do is leave some links in the description. I'm also going to leave a link to some other air mattresses that we've been looking at lately. See what size, what brand, what price point is right for you. I appreciate y'all. Y'all take it easy.